Hey everyone, how are you today? How are you on this beautiful Monday? Well, it's not really beautiful. It is cloudy outside, but hey, it's not raining. I have to work tonight, so I really couldn't sleep today very much. I slept about 2 hours. I try to go to bed when I have to sleep, or when I have to work. If I've not worked the night before, I try to go to bed by about 10 o'clock in the morning, and then I try to get back up about 2:30. But I couldn't sleep. I slept last night pretty good. So I am getting Olivia together something good and tasty for when she comes home, something healthy. We ate out on the grill all weekend. There's nothing wrong with that, but sometimes I feel guilty. I gotta get some vegetables in there. Even though we did have potato salad, but potato salad's not really, you know, a vegetable that I'm referring to. So I've got some garlic that I've just chopped up here, and I am making her some chicken with some carrots and potatoes on it. She loves this, so that's what I'm making. I don't want my carrots or my potatoes too thin, because if you do them too thin, then they get done before everything else does. But this is my go-to when I'm feeling like feeding her something that you know, is nice and healthy. I feel good about it because, you know, carrots and potatoes are healthy. You know what, I'm just going to cut that one right in half. And I love this stuff too, so I am making enough for her to eat on for a couple days, and I'm going to leave that one whole, and enough for me to take to work tonight. I think. I don't know. I bought some turkey at the grocery store. That's my microwave. I'm trying to defrost my chicken. Dogs! I forgot to lay it out, so just trying to defrost it there. You know what? I better cut that because they're all the same. I might add a couple more potatoes, but we'll see. Gotta be careful here. She loves lots of carrots. But anyway, like I said, I bought some turkey at the grocery store. I want to start taking me some turkey sandwich this week. I'm kind of hoping to eat a little bit more healthy than what I have been. It's just so hard to do, but I'm really gonna... Oh, there's an ambulance. That's never good. Oh, that's the police. It's never really easy, you know, to eat really healthy unless you're a health fanatic, and I'm definitely not a health fanatic. Wonder what happened. Police car just went by. You really don't hear that a lot unless there's an accident. But I'm going to try to wean some of the carbs out of my diet. It is so hard to do. I'm just going to toss these back in here. And you know what? I think I am going to... those chicken breasts are fairly thin, so I probably better cut these in half. What do you think about that? It is so hard to cut the pasta out of my diet because I love pasta or carbs. I love carbs. You know, I love peanut butter toast in the morning. I like cereal. I had some of my favorite cereal for breakfast this morning, which is the strawberry frosted mini wheats. I love that stuff. I guess you can eat healthy and incorporate that into your diet, you know, if you just have that, because it's really not that fattening. But I don't know, it's just so hard to do. And I swear, I feel like I've gained so much weight lately. And I don't know why. Metabolism, you know, getting old, metabolism. Alright, I chopped some more carrots and potatoes up in there. That is full, isn't it? Now, my chicken breast is still a little frozen. Actually, it's still a lot frozen. Ugh. I put it in the microwave to try to defrost it a little bit. Just enough to get it in the pan. See, look at that. It's still frozen. I just kind of nestled those in there. I might have to put the other two back in there. I like to use the bone-in chicken. I like the bone-in chicken. I think it flavors it a lot better than... Oh, come on. You know what? Alright, that one's going to have to go back in there. I gotta wash my hands. I can't touch my microwave without washing my hands first. That's going to have to go back in there. To defrost a little bit more. There we go. And in the meantime, I can go ahead and start adding some of my seasonings to it. I don't have to wait on that. We're going to do some onion salt because I'm going to mix it all together with my hands anyway. And then we're going to do some garlic powder, even though I went ahead and put one big, it is powder, right? Yeah. Even though I put a big piece of garlic in there. Gotta have your stuff flavored. I put a lot in there because you know what? This is a lot. This is a lot. In case you didn't hear that, this is a lot twice. And then I'm going to put some rosemary leaves in there. I like to use fresh herbs, but I don't really have any right now. Rosemary and thyme complement chicken so well. And then we're just going to mix all this together. This is a little bit of thyme. I'm not going to use a whole lot of this because I don't think Olivia is a big fan of this, but you know what? It seasons the chicken so perfectly. There we go. There we go, there we go. And you know what I'm going to use? Oh, I'm about out again. Look at that. I just made this the other day. Another nice little dosing of my signature blend seasoning. This stuff is phenomenal. Phenomenal. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Like I said, you're going to season this stuff well. There is a lot of it, so I got some olive oil. I'm also going to add a little bit of chicken bouillons and a little bit of water. Look at that. Doesn't that look amazing? I'm going to add some black pepper. Let's see if these chicken are ready to come apart. I think so. I think so. You know what? I think my dog's in there trying to get the cat's food. There we go. See, it's still frozen. But that's alright, because we're going to mix all this together anyway. You know what? Since my hands are already chickeny, we're going to mix all this together. Just kind of coat everything. Look at that. I'm going to put this in the oven, and then I'm going to run the sweeper because Daisy May, I can hear her in there chowing down on the cat food. She's going to get in trouble. She's my problem child. She's worse than any child I've ever had. My kids always listen good. Daisy's my one that doesn't listen. She don't do that when her dad's home. I don't know why, but my husband's the leader of the pack as far as the animals go, as far as the dogs go. Not really sure how that happened because they're my dog. Listen, now she's trying to get back through. We have a gate in there that we keep her from getting through the cat box, but she seems to know how to get through it. She can open that gate with her paw. She's about to get in trouble. Miss Daisy May? I know you're in there. Get in here. Did you get you some Tootsie Rolls? Look at that. Doesn't that look good? And I'm going to put a little bit of water on this because I'm going to open some bouillon cubes and put on it. You guys, I already have this recipe on my channel here. I mean, this is a recipe, roasted chicken and vegetables. I already have it on there, so I just wanted something to vlog about today. I just wanted to come on here and talk to you. Look at the glistening of that. Hey guys, Easter is coming up soon. Actually, it's in less than 2 weeks, so leave me a comment below and let me know what you're going to be doing for Easter, what you're going to be cooking. If you're not cooking, some people don't cook big meals like that, but you know, I mean, that's not a smaller holiday by any means as far as the meaning, but it's certainly not a big event as far as cooking for some people. Every holiday to me is a big cooking event. Plop that in there. I think I'm going to put about 3 in there. But I'm going to cook a ham, and I think I'm going to make my cheesy potato casserole. I think I'm also going to make a small turkey with dressing and some mashed potatoes, and probably just some green beans or a green bean casserole, and, you know, a couple desserts. Maybe some corn. You know we got to have corn. Got to have corn. Alright, now I'm going to pop this in. I already put the water in it, didn't I, guys? Okay. Let's put some fresh ground pepper over it. You know what? I'm going to put a couple pats of butter on top of it, too. This is going to be seasoned to perfection. Look, finally bought me a little pepper grinding mill there. I have my bigger one. Look at that butter looks terrible. Talking about cooking healthy, and look, I'm putting this butter on top. But hey, you gotta have butter on your carrots and potatoes. Now, am I right or am I right? Obviously, you weren't given a choice there. But anyway, what are you guys gonna be cooking for Easter? What are you doing for Easter? How do you celebrate Easter? Tell me in the comments below what you're gonna be cooking. Because I want to know, because I'm nosy like that. There, I think that's plenty, don't you? Then once this heats through, I'll just take a spoon and just kind of stir it all around. I think that's plenty. I miss the days, back in the days when, you know, my kids were a lot younger, and we get all dressed up for Easter. I remember when me and my sister were kids, we had so much fun dressing up for Easter. You know, it's a big thing that we got our Easter dresses on. You know, stuff like that. I don't really decorate the house for Easter. But my kids are grown, and we do still color eggs. That's a big thing here. We still color eggs. Because I always make egg salad with mine once we're done. Alright, girls and guys, I'm going to pop this in the oven. Alright, guys, honestly, I don't even remember what is on this vlog. This is like 2 days later when I started filming the first vlog, or this vlog, not the first vlog. Why do I look so... I can't tell. It looks kind of blurry, but I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this vlog up, whatever it is. Like I said, I don't remember exactly what it is. I'm getting ready to head to work. It's like almost 5 o'clock in the evening, so I've got to get my butt to work. I have to be there by 6. Like I said, I do 12-hour night shifts. Something so exciting to tell you. I hit my millionth view. Over 1 million views a couple days ago, and I was absolutely ecstatic about that. That is a milestone, a wonderful milestone. And I tell you what, I'm going to challenge you. Go to your little, you know, whatever that is, magnifying glass on YouTube and type in green beans. Guess who pops up as the very first one? That's right, your girl, yours truly, the very first one pops up in the kitchen with Sandy's green bean, my sauteed green beans and garlic and olive oil, and it has over like close to 600,000 views. And I just, that was one of my first videos, and I'm just standing there like, oh, you do this, you do that, and I was really nervous. And it's not really a good video, but I'm not going to redo it because it's doing amazing on YouTube. That's where I get the majority of my views from, and I'm not sure about the subscribers, but that's where I get a lot of my views from, is that recipe. And like I said, you type in green beans and it is the first thing that pops up is mine. And actually I've got another one that pops up like 4 or 5 down there below, so it's doing very well. So I'm not going to redo that video. And they're really good. You need to try them. They're really good. Got a lot of good comments, got a lot of bad comments. So you'd be surprised at all the shady people that like to get on there and, you know, say mean things. But that's okay. You know, it takes a little bit of everybody to make the world go around, and it makes me want to be even a better person because of some of the things that people are jacked up about saying, but that's all right, you know. Anyway, I'm headed to work. I wanted to close out this vlog. Like I said, I'm not really even sure what I put on this vlog, but hopefully there's something there. Hopefully I'm not closing out nothing. But, you know, I want to thank you guys also very much for supporting me, supporting my channel. And you know I love you all so very much. Make sure you like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Follow me on my Facebook fan page. I've been doing a lot of posting there lately because I have forgotten to post a lot of my stuff on there. I'm just super busy. I'm super busy. You know, it is what it is. But the more people that subscribe, you know, the more I can do this more often. And I love you. I love you so very much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Take care.